Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 7.2.8 and you are going to change your password. So you use a special user account called administrator to log on to your computer. However, you think that someone has learned your password. You are currently logged as administrator. In this lab, your task is to change your password. The current administrator account uses this password provided here as the password, and the new password that's going to be used is provided also. As you type in the password, the cursor will not move. Continue entering the password anyway. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this video to be helpful, at the end of the video, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the lab. So we'll go ahead and open terminal and type in the password, and you press enter, and this is going to be the password. So you type it in, but bear in mind that the cursor will not move, so just continue typing anyways. And then the new password is going to be this, and then we retype the new password again. And then you press enter. Go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership. Like and subscribe to the channel, share so that others can benefit also. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.